Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing something that I've been super curious about for a while and I'm very excited to try. I am testing out, can I make Dorito Crusted Chicken? This past summer when I was in Israel, I literally ate Doritos every single day for a snack, like 2 to 3 times a day. This video is not sponsored by Doritos, by the way, but if they do want it to be sponsored, they can hit me up. So yeah, I'm just gonna see, can I make Dorito crusted like chicken, because I'm kind of hungry right now. It's lunchtime. I found $20 in my bathrobe pocket today. Not sure why I have money in there, but I'll just use that to buy the chicken. So let's go to the store, buy some chicken, buy some Doritos, and see if this works. And you know what, while you guys are here, right over here, somewhere below here, is a red subscribe button. If you haven't clicked already, definitely go click it so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. All right, let's go to the store. Well, I guess I'm a certified idiot because I forgot that it just rained outside and the ground is wet, and I just tried skateboarding to the store instead of walking, so it'd be quicker, and this genius flew off their skateboard when the skateboard went over some wet rocks, totally scraped up my arm, my knees, and everything. So I went inside because I literally fell off 2 seconds after leaving my house and got a bunch of Band-Aids, and now I'm heading back to the store because I still gotta film the video. So, all right, let's go to the store. This store has a cafe attached to it, so because I got hurt, to like, I don't know, make myself feel better, I'm gonna get a peanut butter. I just ordered a peanut butter milkshake. Then I'll go shopping for the ingredients. All right, so I'm not really sure if I got a cart because I literally just need chicken, but I guess it'll hide my phone so people don't know that I'm filming myself. All right, got my favorite flavor Doritos, the black ones. They're spicy and really good. And some chicken tenders. All right, well that was super quick. Definitely didn't need to involve me getting hurt because I literally just needed 2 ingredients, but it's worth it for the views. Okay, I'm back home, and I waited about an hour because, you know, the kosher life just had meat, just had a dairy drink. Now I'm having meat food, so I waited, and right now over here I kind of set up a little station. This is not going to be as professional as my usual videos because I'm in my home kitchen right now, not the kitchen where I film my usual videos. So it's just me today, and this is going to become more like a vlog style cooking. Okay, so let me put you guys down over here, and let's just get started. Okay, so over here is my Doritos. This is my favorite flavor, which is the spicy flavor. Again, not sponsored. I genuinely like it. All right, let me move this over. And I guess let's just kind of pour it into here. And then I just washed my hands, so let's crush up the Doritos, I guess. This might be a little messy and loud, but who cares? All right, here we go. So now it's into like a nice crumbled up. Over here I have some flour, and over here I'm gonna crack 2 eggs, and here's our chicken tenders. And it's just super simple. All you're gonna wanna do is take the chicken. So I got some chicken tenders over here. Put it in your flour. Get it nice and coated into the egg that we beat up. Drain it, and I'm just treating this like any other way I'd bread a chicken, and then let's just plop it in here. All right, who knows if this will work? I mean, I've had chicken tenders before that were covered in like chips, so I think it should work. All right, it is frying time. Let's see if this works. Okay, update. Oh my god, this is like breaking news. The chicken is looking pretty good. The Doritos are sticking to the chicken, and I think it's almost time to flip. Smells really, 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 really good. I am very optimistic about this. Okay, so my chicken just came out of the oil, and as you can see, I overcooked it slightly, but that's kind of what I expected because it's Doritos. It's not like, I don't know, I don't think it's meant to be fried. I served it up with a little bit of mayo. Not the prettiest thing in the whole world, but that's not the point of this video. This isn't one of my like usual like professional looking cooking videos in my fancy kitchen. This is just something I wanted to try. So let's just look how juicy that is inside of here. Ooh, oh, you see that steam coming out? Oh, this actually looks really good. It also smells really good. Okay, let's dip it in some mayo and just dig in. All right. Okay, let's talk about this. Much better than I expected, actually. It's a little bit on the oily side, but I kind of figured that the chips, since they're probably already fried, have some oil in them, so they kind of soaked up some of the oil. But aside from that, the flavor is really good. It kind of loses some of this, like the kick of when you actually eat the chips plain. But it's like a nice amount of flavor. I'm enjoying eating it. All right, I'll talk to you guys when I finish eating all this. All right, I just finished eating all of the chicken that I fried up, and that was actually really good. So if you want to make your own Dorito Crusted Chicken, all you got to do is take some chicken tenders, coat them in some flour, some beaten egg, and some crushed up Doritos. Fry them for like 2 minutes per side. Take them out onto a paper towel lined baking sheet or plate, anything like that, and then just eat them with whatever sauce you want. You can eat them with ketchup. That's probably what my dad would do. He literally puts ketchup on everything. I don't know if I'd support that, but you do you. You can put it on, oh my god, a mosquito just bit me. Oh my god, there are so many mosquitoes. Thank you for interrupting my video, mosquito. Anyways, I was saying, you can put mayo, you can put ketchup, you can put sriracha, anything you like. It's super delicious. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would say it was overall a success. I definitely don't think Dorito Crusted Chicken was worth getting hurt for. So if you make it, I highly suggest not riding a skateboard to the store and getting hurt, or just maybe do ride a skateboard, just don't. Maybe only ride it if you're good. I don't know, whatever. This is super fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to click that subscribe button down below and hit that like button if you like the video, and comment down below. Have you ever just fried chicken coated in something crazy? I want to know. And yeah, this is super fun. Also, do you guys like when I do this type of video that's a little different, where I'm not in my kitchen with like fancy lights and cameras, everything? It's just like me trying something new. Let me know down below in the comments. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.